If you're a returning Inkworks viewer, you might be wondering what's with the half pans, because I'm a full pan sort of gal. Well, producer Mike and I recently went on an art shopping trip, and while I was busy perusing Sennelier and Da Vinci, he was seduced by the Dusk side of watercolors, specifically Van Gogh's Dusk Green and Dusk Violet. I think he also really liked the price point. So the half pans are an indicator that these are for producer Mike's personal palette. For those who are unfamiliar with the Royal Talens brand watercolors, they make the professional grade Rembrandt line, but also this student grade Van Gogh line. Now, I've heard good things about both, but that doesn't mean I want student paints fraternizing with my full pans of M. Graham, Da Vinci, and Daniel Smith in the drawer of watercolors, so I might not add them to my own collection. Or I might still fill a couple of full pans and just stick them in with the specialty colors, then feel oddly guilty about it. I had jotted down the pigment numbers there beneath the color names, but please ignore the light fastness ratings next to them. I screwed up that part, and I apologize. I'd like to say I was drunk, but I don't even have that excuse. The actual light fastness info, according to both the tubes and the online brochure, are as follows. Dusk Green has 3 stars, which is their best rating, and Dusk Violet has 2 stars, which is their second best rating. Looking at the color swatches, there's some cool granulation and color separation going on, and adding an extra stroke or droplet here and there helps to show those off. Of course, it may be my bias in favor of greens and purples, but I'm really liking these. As for the pigments involved, on the left is PG7 Phthalo Green Blue shade, and on the right is PV23 Dioxazine Violet. Both are paired with the granulating PBK11, which is iron oxide black, aka Mars black, aka lunar black. But I'm confused. Isn't Mars the red planet? And while the moon, which is gray, has been called blue, silver, and even on occasion red. I've never heard it called black. What gives, Department of Pigments? I would like to speak to your manager. Oh, a black moon is a thing, albeit rare, and it refers to a second new moon in a single calendar month. Well, what do you know? Science is everywhere, even in watercolors. I don't know much about Royal Talons and their products, but I understand these two colors are part of the relatively new Dusk series, which in the Van Gogh line includes 4 colors: yellow, pink, violet, and green. When I looked at the Rembrandt color chart, however, I saw only 3 dusks: yellow, pink, and green. I can't tell you why that is. My best guess, Rembrandt was a purple hater. I mean, when I think of Rembrandt's works, I picture a lot of yellows, browns, and reds. But perhaps that had something to do with the available pigments in the 1600s, rather than personal preference. Yes? No? Any art historians watching? So, what's up with Dutch painters and ears? Van Gogh cut off one of his. Vermeer's most famous work featured an adorned one. And Rembrandt, well, he was a prolific portraitist, so he painted plenty of peekaboo ears, right? I don't know. An emphasis on single ears seems weird coming from a country renowned for its 2 lips. I'm happy to use this session for a Dutch master's rambling. Bet you didn't expect science and history lessons here at Inkworks. Skillshare, schmillshare. I'm sharing here and now. Just remember, you get what you pay for. Until next time. Stay artsy, my friends.